Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Can we start the class? Only 9 participants have joined the session. Why is that so? Where are the others? Are the others having lunch? Yes? Can we start, children?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, children. Can. Okay. So, a very good afternoon to all of you. So, in the
Good
last class,
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. Okay, children, in the last class, we have discussed about nouns, okay? So, let's have a recap on it, then we will start today's session. Okay, so we already know that a noun is a word. Yes, come on, tell me, what is a noun? A noun is a name of
Noun is
yes, of a means what? One. Yes, the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Is that clear to everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, a noun is a name. Okay, is a name of a person, a place, an animal, or thing. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now I'll move on to what is a group of persons, group of animals, or group of things called? What do we call a group? What do we call a group, children? A group of things. What do we call? Very good. It is collective noun.
Only.
Okay, very good. So collective noun is a group of persons, group of animals, group of things of the same kind. What do you mean by same kind, children? Of the same kind. What do you mean by same kind?
What do you mean by same kind?
What do you mean by same kind, children? Same kind means what? If it is sheep, it should be sheep alone. Have you understood? Okay, if it is birds, it should be birds. If you're talking about kittens, it should be kittens. If it is students, it should be students. So we say that it's a group of persons, group of animals, or group of things of the same kind that act as one whole. It should, that whole it is called as a group, which is one whole, it is called as collective noun. Is that clear to everyone? Is it clear? Everyone, I'll show you a few examples. Okay, children? So the few examples will help you. So, ma'am has one key with me. Can you see a key with me in my hand? Yes? Can you see a key? What happened to Ashika? Ashika's crying or laughing or smiling? Okay, Ashika, all of you, can you see it? Huh? Yes? All of you look at the screen. Can you see a screen? Sorry, can you see a key? Yes, it is one key. Okay, so ma'am is going to have many keys with me. So what do you call these are? What do we call this? There are many keys in my hand. Okay, many keys. We call it as plural. Okay, these are plural. These are not one unit. Okay, all these are separated keys. So 3 keys are there. So I call it as keys. Is that clear? When it comes to collective noun, this is a collective noun. What is this is? What you can see this? What you can see in my hand? Come on, tell me what you can see it. A bunch of keys. What you can see, children? What you can see? A bunch of keys. This is what it is of the same kind that act as one whole. One whole in the sense all the keys put together in one string. So it is called as one whole. Is that clear what you meant by one whole? This is called as collective noun. Bunch of keys, not these. There are 3 keys, but all it is separated. We can call this as plural. Is that clear? These are keys. Okay, many keys are there, but this becomes a collective noun. Why means a collective noun is a group of animals, a group of persons, or group of things of the same kind. Same kind means it should be keys. Okay, that act as one whole is called as the collective noun. Clear, all of you? Have all of you understood what is a collective noun is? Okay, now I'll show you few more examples. How many toffees do I have in my hand? One, very good. Now, how many toffees do I have now? Come on, tell me. Yes, two, very good. So what do we call two toffees? It is plural. But when it comes to a box of chocolates, do you want chocolates, children? So it comes to box of chocolates. What do you want? A box of chocolates. So it is a collective noun. It is considered as one. It is considered as, I've told you, that act has one whole. So it is one whole. Many chocolates are there, but it is considered as one whole. So it is a collective noun. Have all of you understood? Have all of you understood what it is? What is a collective noun is? Okay, one more example I show you. These are one pearl or two pearls. Okay, but when it is put to a string, it is considered as one whole. There's a string of pearls. This is a collective noun. Have all of you understood? Have all of you understood what is a collective noun is? So this is a string of pearl. So it is a collective noun. String of pearls, box of chocolates, bunch of keys. All these are the examples of collective noun. That's why ma'am has given you all a group of animals, a group of persons, a group of things of the same kind that act as one whole. When it comes to a group, it should be one whole. It is one chain. Have you all of you understood? So it is called as collective noun. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Understood what is a collective noun is? Okay, now I'm going to share the screen. I will show you many more examples related to it. All of you see? Okay. All of you, look at the screen, children. Get ready for your class. Okay, now. So, let us start, okay? Okay, so in today's class, what are we learning? What are we learning in today's class? What are we learning, children? We are learning about collective noun. I wanted a response. Okay, I'm going to mute you all. Let me see what are you saying. But please don't. Yes. What are we talking about in today's class? Collective nouns. Very good, very good. As I've already told you, okay. As I've already told you, a collective noun, we know that a noun is a name of a person, a place, an animal or thing. Okay, I'm going to write here animal. Animal is missing here. So animal or thing. Noun is a. Okay, but a collective noun is names a group of people, group of things, or group of animals. Is that clear? Group of animals that is considered as one unit or one whole. Clear? You don't write anything, children. Notes will be sent. Is that clear to everyone? So it is collective noun is a names a group of people, group of things and group of animals that is considered as one unit or one whole. Clear? Okay, that's why I showed you an example. Key is the best example for it. Bunch of keys. It is considered as one whole. So we call it as collective noun. Clear to all of you? Now we'll move on to, see here, I've showed you here. Here it is a collective noun for you. It is a group of students, group of fish, group of stars, group of stars. All these are examples of collective noun. Okay, it should be of same kind and it acts as one whole. Okay, so a grape, see a flies. We can't mix all the flies. If it's flies alone, it should be flies. Keys, it should be keys. Fish, fish alone. So that's why we call it as a group of animals or group of persons or group of things of the same kind that act as one whole. Okay, now I'll move on to the next slide. All of you look at it. So sheep, here it is one. When it is a group, collective nouns are called by specific group of things or animals or persons are called by a special name. Okay, that is known as a collective noun. So group of sheep, what is a collective noun for a group of sheep? What do we call a group of sheep? What do we call a group of sheep? Rebecca, are you ready? Come on, give me the answer. Come on, Rebecca, give me the answer. What is the answer, Rebecca? What do we call a group of sheep? What is a collective noun used for a group of sheep?
A flock of sheep.
Yes, very good. A flock of sheep. So here, which is the collective noun in this? A flock of sheep. Flock is a collective noun which is used to refer to a group of sheep. Clear, all of you? So which is the collective noun here? Flock is a collective noun. When we refer to a group of sheep, we call it as flock. Flock of sheep. Okay, so flock is a collective noun. Flock has to be learnt well. It is a special name given to a special group of animals or persons or things. Okay, yes. Now we move on to, you can see a group of fish there. Okay, it is considered as one whole. What do we call a group of fish? Who can give me the answer? Yes, a shoal of fish. Yes, we have to learn the spelling of shoal. S-H-O-A-L, shoal of fish. S-H-O-A-L, shoal. So shoal of fish. Clear? I've asked you to write it. The last, after this class, I'll be asking you to again to write this and learn. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now you don't write anything. Okay, wait. Now here you can see a group of elephants here. For a group of elephants, what do we say? What is the collective noun used? Herd of elephants.
Herd of elephants.
My children have learned it well. Yes, herd of elephants. Okay. Yes, children, I got your answer. Now you can see a group of people gathered together. Yes, crowd of people. What do we say? A crowd of people.
Crowd of people.
Yes, I got your answer. I'm getting your answers. Yes. Now I'll move on to the next one. What you can see here, a group of players playing here. What is the collective noun used here? What do we say? Who can say me the answer? Ihan, can you give me the answer? Unmute it. Yes, team of players. Who has given me the answer here? Okay, Rebecca. So it is a team of players. Okay, it is team of players. The collective noun used for a group of players is team of players. So team here is a collective noun that refers to a group of players. Okay, now we can see here you are all sitting in one class. Okay, this class students belongs to 3rd E. You're in 3rd E now. So what do we call a group of students?
Class of students.
Yes, class of students. You can see here a class of students there. So class is what noun it is? What noun it is, class? Class is the collective noun which refers to a group of students. Okay, so have you understood? So now you can see a bunch of grapes. So see here, this is called as the bunch. Can you see that it is coming from, so it is considered as single unit. Okay, same like the bunch of keys. Same like the bunch of keys, you can see there a bunch of grapes. So bunch is a collective noun used for a group of grapes. Okay, now we can see a flock of birds here. Many
No.
birds are there, a lot of birds, but a group. So what do we call a group of birds? We call it as a flock of birds. So we have learned many collective noun. Collective noun has to be learned by heart. That is one thing. Now we'll move on to the second point of it. Yes, this is, yes, who's that talking in Malayalam? I've told you, no? Children, you're not supposed to speak, okay? We'll speak only in English. Now, what you can see here, a bunch of keys, okay? A bunch of keys. So, bunch is a collective noun used to refer to a group of keys. Here, you can see here. This is known as bunch of keys. Can you see it, children? All of you look at the screen. Don't be looking here and there. So here you can see flowers. Many flowers will be there. But all the flowers when put together in a group like this, we call it as bouquet of flowers. So bouquet is a collective noun used to refer to a group of flowers. So bouquet is a collective noun. Bouquet, what's the spelling of bouquet, children? What is the spelling of bouquet? B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. So here T is silent. Okay, so how do you pronounce the word bouquet? Okay, so T is silent here. So we have to learn the spelling of this. So we need to memorize all the collective noun together with the spelling. So here are a table for you to show that all these collective noun has to be memorized. Have you memorized all the collective nouns? Okay, so here team of players, a crowd of people, a troop of soldiers, a class of students. Only I've given very little. This table has to be memorized by you together with the spelling. Okay, children, a herd of cows. For cows as well as for elephants, we say the collective noun used for a group of elephants as well as for cows, we use herd. Okay, for fish, we use shoal, and for birds as well as for sheep, we use flock. Flock is a collective noun used to refer to a group of birds and group of sheep. I hope you have completed your notes. Have all of you are completing your notes? Notes, children, put a thumbs up. You're collecting your notes. Yes, completing your notes. Yes. Now here, group of things, bunch of grapes and keys, and a bouquet of flowers. All these examples we have seen now. Now we are moving on to one thing, how it has to be written. Have you noticed that you can find, what you can find there? How it has to be written, the word or a or an has usually comes before the collective noun. Have you noticed that, children? Have you noticed that? Have you noticed it? Have you noticed it? A or an usually comes before the collective noun. Have you noticed this? A or an usually comes before the collective noun and it is followed by the word of. Okay, word of and the noun. Can you say? Can you see it? And the word noun telling who or what belongs in that group. You can see the noun belonging to that group, telling us who or what belongs to that group. This is the way we have to write the collective noun. Clear? This is the way we have to write the collective noun. Okay, all of you, let's see here how to write the collective noun. Collective noun, we know that it is a group. It is a group of animals or group of persons or group of things, which is considered as one single unit. It has to be written like this, A. First, we have to use a or an, usually comes before the collective noun. Then comes the collective noun. What is the second word? We have to use the collective noun, that is a flock. After the flock, followed by the word of. We have to write of. Then comes a noun, a flock of sheep. This is the way we need to write the collective noun. Have all of you understood how to write the collective noun? Have all of you understood, children? First, we have to begin with the letter A, then comes the collective noun, followed by the word of, then the noun. Okay, telling us who or what belongs to the group, means what are we talking about. Is that clear to all of you? So this is the way you write a collective noun. Now we'll move on to the exercise. Before we move on to exercise, we need to know a certain thing. Okay, since a collective noun is considered as, all of you listen here, since a collective noun is considered as, who's talking? Still you're talking. Okay. Since a collective noun is considered as single unit. Single unit means what? One single unit. It is considered as singular. Have all of you understood? It is considered as singular. Okay, why is that so? I showed you this. All of you look here. Since it is considered as one whole or one single unit, it is considered as or treated as singular. Okay, singular means what, children? What do you mean by singular? What do you mean by singular? Come on, tell me, what do you mean by singular? What do you mean by singular? One. Yes. Collective noun, it is treated as single unit. So we have to consider this as singular. Is that clear? Now, here you can see all the beads put together. So it should be treated as singular. Okay, it is used with, have all of you understood? Here many chocolates, but box of chocolates has to be considered as singular. Okay, so collective noun has to be considered as singular. Okay, so that is what we are going to learn now. Here, you can see in this a herd of elephants. Even though it is elephants, can you see this? Who's that talking? Still you're talking, children? Please mute. Yes. All of you mute your audios, children. I could still hear you. Okay, so a herd of elephants, since it is considered as one single unit, it has to be treated as singular. So we use is. Is that clear? One more example I'll give you. A team of players, a team of players. Do we use players? Do we use is or are? What do we use, is or are? Come on, tell me. A team of players, do we use is or are? Jonath, come on, tell me. Unmute it and come on, tell me. Since a collective noun is treated as singular, is one unit, it has singular. So what we have to write there, is it is or are? Is very good. It has to be, by means it is treated as, I showed you in the picture, a bunch of keys. So it should be as a single unit, so it should be treated as singular. So team of players, even though it is players, players are not counted. We have to take the team as such, so it should be taken as singular. Okay, so we have to write there is. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear to everyone? Okay, now all of you, okay, so we'll do these exercise, children. After doing the exercise, we'll have a recap of it. Okay, are you all ready? Are you all ready to do the exercise? Okay. I'll be calling you. Jeeva, come on, Jeeva. Unmute it and read the first question for me.
The crowd
Jeeva, come on.
was very big.
Yes, a crowd was very big, which is the collective noun in that sentence. All of you keep your books open, take your pencils in your hand, and you have to underline the collective noun. Okay, and you can do it now itself. Okay, all my good children can do it now. The crowd was very big. So, which is a collective noun? Jeeva?
Crowd.
Crowd, very good. So, you have to underline the crowd. Now, I'll move on to Parvana. Just now I saw her. Parvana, come on, Parvana. Unmute it and read the second question. Yes, read the second question.
The herd of elephant is
Passing.
passing.
So, which is the collective noun in that sentence?
Herd.
Herd, very good, Parvana, very good. Okay, herd is a collective noun. So this is the way we are going to do the exercise. Okay,
Ma'am, let me
Ashika.
unmute.
Yes, you can do it. Ashika, come on, unmute it. Ashika, come on. Why you feeling very sad? Smile, Ashika. Come on, read the question for me. Yes. Ashika, unmute it. Okay? Unmute it and read the question. Okay? Yes, unmute it. Are you able to do it? No? Check whether you are able to do it. Unmute it. Your device, there will be a, you can unmute it, no? You're not able to do it? Okay, I'll come to you later then. Then I'll move on to Suvrit. Okay, I'll come to you later. Suvrit, come on, read the next question for me. Our team. Our team. One.
The
Match.
mat.
Match. So which is the collective noun? Which is the collective noun? Which is the collective noun? Come on. You're right. Come on, tell me. Which is the collective noun? What you said now is right. Team. Team is the correct answer. Team. We have already learned the collective nouns. So which is the collective noun in that sentence? Team. Team is a collective noun. Very good. Okay. Now I'll move on to the next person, Joshua. Joshua, come on, unmute it fast. And read the second, third, fourth question for me. Joshua, read it. Read the fourth question. He gave. Louder, please. I couldn't hear you. Come on. He gave
me a bunch of grapes.
Bunch of grapes. So which is the collective noun in this sentence?
Bunch.
Bunch. Very good. So bunch is the collective noun. This is how you have to find out the... Okay. Now Karthik, come on, Karthik. Karthik, are all of you are doing it? Yes. Read the fifth question for me.
Fifth question only?
Fifth question only. All the rest has been done in the class.
The troop.
The troop of soldiers had marched. Okay. Marched. Okay. Marched.
All day.
All day. Very good. So how to read the sentence once more, no, Karthik?
He gave me
No. This sentence. The troop of soldiers had marched all day. Okay.
all day.
All day. Very good. So which is the collective noun in that sentence? Come on.
Marched.
Marched. Not marched is not a collective noun. Come on, find out.
Soldier.
Soldiers. Soldiers are noun. So which is a collective noun here?
Troop.
Troop. Very good. Troop is a collective noun. Troop of soldiers. Have you understood? So troop is a collective noun.
Yes, ma'am.
So have all of you finished? Very good there, Karthik. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next slide. All of you take your this thing. Are you all ready? Let me see who did not get a chance here. I'll be calling them. Okay, Nedik, come on, Nedik. Read the question for me, Nedik. First question here. Here you have to fill in the blanks using the collective noun. The words, the clues are given in the groups. You have to select the best one which suits it. Okay, Nedik? Nedik, come on, do it. Yes, do the first one for me.
The dash of places
Players entered
enter the set
stadium.
stadium.
So what is the correct answer for players? What do we say? What is the collective noun used for the players? Team. Very good. Team. Very good. Team. Team is the correct answer. Team. Very good. Okay. Now I'll move on to Steny. Steny. Come on, Steny. Yes. Unmuted. So now you read the question. The ship
Sleep near
near the
of
near the dash of Ireland's. Ireland's. So what do we write there? Which is the correct answer for that? A group of Irelands. What do we say?
a group.
Group only. No other words are there which suits that. It is group. Okay, Steny. Very good. Group. Okay. Now I move on to Shiva Shankar. Shiva Shankar. Shiva Shankar. Shiva Shankar, unmuted. Yes. Can you? Yes. Read the question. I couldn't hear you. Unmuted. Yes. Read the question. Read the third question for me.
In the blue lake, we saw a dash of fish.
So for a fish, for a group of fish, what do we say? Which is the collective noun used for a group of fish?
Shoal.
Shoal, very good. So we have to write the correct collective noun here. Here it is given in the bracket, so we have to pick the correct collective noun and fill in the blanks. Very good, Shiva Shankar. Okay. So I move on to Devaj. Devaj, come on. Read the question. Devaj, come on. Read the fourth question. The lady.
The lady had a dash of keys.
Yes, very good. Bunch of keys. Very good, Devaj. It is bunch of keys. Okay, now I'll move on to Meenakshi Anup. Meenakshi, are you writing?
Ma'am, Ashika can talk now.
Ashiga. Okay. Meenakshi, do the next one.
Dash of
Over the, who's talking there? Could hear, yes, Ashiga. And I'm sorry, who's saying the answer now? Meenakshi, come on, read the question once more. Meenakshi. Meenakshi, where is she? Meenakshi, read the question. Meenakshi Anup. Read the question once more for me. Yes, Meenakshi, where are you?
Page number 5.
Read the question quickly. Its time is going. Karthik's there. Okay, now I'll move on to the next person. Meenakshi Anup, read the question. All are ready to read the question. Unmuted, Meenakshi. Yes, unmuted and read the question for me, Meenakshi Anup. The last question. Yes.
The dash of birds.
Flew over the trees. So what we have to write here? For a birds, what is the collective noun used for a group of birds? Come on, Meenakshi. All are ready to give me the answers. All are raising their hands up. Come on. Otherwise, I'll give the chance to somebody else. If you're not saying the answer.
Flock.
Flock of birds. Who has told me the answer? Is it Meenakshi or somebody else? Okay. so this is the way you have to do the exercise. Okay, children. So anyhow, we have come to the end of today's session. I hope you have all understood. So these collective noun has to be memorized. You have to write and study it once more. Okay, I'll be sending that again for you. Again, for 1 week, we are going to write and study, and we'll be doing the workbook exercises too. Okay, children. Bye. Have a great day.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Soon. Okay, see you in the next week.
Bye.
Bye, children.